recreated this technique and spread his news amongst all his relatives, friends, and acquaintances. And through them, his message eventually reached ordinary people.
In the context of contemporary medicine, cupping today gives hope to patients everywhere. Whatever their ailments, the basis of current methodology are the accurate medical procedures outlined by my father, the eminent scholar Muhammad Amin Sheikhu, God have mercy upon him. He performed cupping on me and on my brothers, and on his disciples and his friends, carefully and strictly. Practicing cupping is just like using any other medicine. If the patient takes too much, it's like having an overdose, and he will be harmed. Similarly, if the dose is lower than its supposed limit, there won't be any benefit from it.
People have taken to cupping with unparalleled enthusiasm due to its curative medical marvels. This enthusiasm spreads by word of mouth, with cured patients telling their friends and families. No sooner do we perform the cupping in a village, with one person benefiting from it, then everybody comes for treatment. So has been too in the cities, such as Latakia, Aleppo, Homs, Hama, and Damascus. The first incident happened in Zaydul, which is 5 kilometers from the shrine of our master Khalid ibn al-Walid. A patient that was paralyzed for many years asked Dr. Sohail to perform the cupping on him. Then, the next day, he came walking by himself to the doctor's clinic so as to thank him. Everyone in this town is Christian and of our beloved brothers. Accordingly, they performed cupping in the church. Similarly, when a few people from Christian Valley experienced the miracle of this marvelous medicine, they all had it done. Then it reached our brothers, the Armenians in Aleppo, as it spread towards the Arab mountain. As for the Muslims, they took to cupping in a large way. After that, the inhabitants of Lebanon and Algeria, and even the European states, such as Switzerland, Sweden, and Germany, began to use this kind of medicine and adopt it due to its wonderful results. Many American universities and Russian hospitals have studied this new medicine, in addition to China, where there was great interest. Part of its success is due to the fact that if cupping is applied according to procedures, it isn't harmful at all.
In recent years, there has been a huge increase in the popularity of cupping due to the miraculous cures and remarkable improvements seen by its application to patients suffering from the chronic incurable diseases of our modern time.
We have previously mentioned that if man takes an overdose of a chemical medicine, he may die. And if he takes a low dose, there will be no benefits. As there are specific times when the doctor recommends the patient to take tablets or syrups, so there are for cupping. There are procedures to be followed. Otherwise, the benefits of treatment are lost. Breaches of these guidelines may cause injuries that require hospitalization. The art of cupping will then be unfairly called into question because of a single irresponsible practitioner.
لا يطبق قوانينها مع الأسف.
We start with the importance of the site on the body where treatment is applied. The only place for practicing cupping is on the upper part of the back, as the deposits of superfluous erythrocytes, those older than 120 days, as well as cell ghosts, the cell tiny pieces which cause thrombosis and other blood impurities, all gather here in the back because it is a motionless part of the body and contains no movable joints. The region of blood stasis, as doctors well know, is located directly under the two shoulder blades and is called the withers.
The upper part of the back is the ideal area for applying cupping, as it is the least active part since it is free of articulation, and the muscles there tie and fasten the bones together. The net of blood capillaries are also abundant in this area. Therefore, the speed of the blood decreases to minimum in the surface vessels and in the deeper ones. Since blood clots and other problems look for these kinds of places of minimal activity to settle, the best conditions for cupping are found in this part of the body.